In this video, we're going to look at how to schedule a Zoom meeting in advance. So let's get into it. The very first thing is that you want to log into your Zoom account. So I'm on the zoom.us page right here. I'm just going to go right into my account. So go into meetings and I will have a button right here that says schedule a new meeting. So you'll need to pick a topic here. So you can write let's just do one-on-one YouTube consult with Joe. Then you'll schedule the meeting. So you'll pick a date and a time. You just need to click on the calendar here to choose that. Make sure you choose your time zone. So it will show in their time what it's actually supposed to be. These options right here indicate whether or not you want to automatically start video when you have yourself, the host, or a participant jump on the call. Mark it to on so that it automatically starts it up. Record the meeting automatically on the local computer. Just basically means whether you want to record your meetings and have it saved to your computer automatically. So now that you have your meeting scheduled, you can add it to Google Calendar, Outlook, or Yahoo. So once you're done that, you can click on Save. Just click on this area right here where it says Copy the Invitation. What it will do is that it will copy all of the details of your scheduled meeting, including the link for where to join. And then you just need to click on Copy Meeting Invitation. It's going to copy it to your clipboard, and then you can go and paste this in an email and email it to your participant who's joining the meeting with you. If you wanted to go back and edit anything, if you needed to reschedule it or anything like that, you can always go into Meetings and then go back in here where it's your one-on-one consult with Joe, and you can either delete it entirely or actually click into it and then go down here and say edit this meeting, and you can change up the time. You can even save your meeting as a template. Hit save. You can go down here where it says save meeting as template so that you don't have to go through the whole thing. You literally just keep reusing that template and adjust the time and date and maybe the topic, and that's about it.